Direct Line Life Insurance app. The pros, the cons. The Direct Line Life Insurance UV app is designed to make managing your life insurance quick and easy. Many people assume it's just for checking documents, but it actually allows you to view policy details, pay premiums, file claims, and update personal information directly from your smartphone. On the pro side, the app offers instant access to policy information, beneficiaries, and payment history. Filing a claim is guided with clear instructions and allows you to upload supporting documents and photos. Push notifications keep you informed about upcoming payments, claim status, and policy updates. Users appreciate the simple, intuitive interface, which makes navigating policies straightforward and stress-free. On the con side, some users report occasional glitches or slow performance, particularly when accessing detailed policy reports. Offline functionality is limited and advanced features like coverage comparisons or life insurance calculators are not included. Stable internet connection is required to take full advantage of the app. In conclusion, the Direct Line Life Insurance UV app is a practical, user-friendly tool for managing life insurance. While it doesn't offer advanced analytical features, it handles essential tasks efficiently, keeping policyholders informed and in control.